AMD just put a 235 billion parameter model on a box that fits on your desk.
And it runs with the internet cable unclogged. No cloud, no subscription, no rate limits. The whole model sitting on a machine that costs about $2,000. One time, their CEO literally held it up on stage and said it replaces a $440 a month AI stack. So let's pull this apart because the breakthrough is real. And so is the catch. Nobody's putting in the thumbnail. Here's the chip. It's called the Ryzen AI Max Plus 395, codename Strix Halo. The thing that makes it special isn't raw speed, it's memory. The CPU and the GPU share up to 128 gigabytes of unified memory on one piece of silicon.
And that one detail changes everything.
Big models don't fail to run on normal PCs because they're too slow. They fail because they don't fit. A graphics card with 16 gigs of VRAM can't hold a Frontier model. There's nowhere to put it. This box has 128.
So for the first time, an x86 machine you can buy can actually hold a 200 billion parameter model in memory and just run it.
And people are running it. Qwen 3 235B, loaded locally, answering prompts on a mini PC quieter than your console. Builders are pointing Ollama at it and wiring it straight into Cursor and Claude Code. Your coding agent running on a model that never leaves your desk. AMD says the same chip beats an NVIDIA RTX 5080 by more than 3 times on DeepSeek R1 inference. That's their number, so take it with a grain of salt. But even have it, and it's wild for a box this size.
Okay. The catch.
Because if I stopped here, I'd be doing the exact hype thing I hate. That 235B model? It's a mixture of experts. 235 billion parameters total, but only about 22 billion are actually firing on any given word. That's why it fits and runs it all. You're never lighting up the whole thing at once. And the speed is honest to goodness usable, not magic. Community benchmarks put Qwen 3 235B at around 11 tokens a second on the 128 gig config.
11. That's fine for reading. It is not the instant wall of text you get from a cloud API. For snappy back and forth chat, the cloud still wins.
So here's where it actually matters for you. Stop thinking, is it faster than the cloud? It's not. And start thinking about what you can do now that you couldn't before.
1. Privacy. Your code, your client's code, your half-finished startup, it never leaves the room. No terms of service, no training on your repo, nothing.
2. No throttling. No, you've hit your limit, come back in 5 hours. Run a big model flat out all day for the price of electricity. 3. Overnight agents. Point an autonomous agent at a refactor and let it grind for 8 hours straight. 11 tokens a second doesn't sting when nobody's waiting on it, and the meter isn't running. 4. It's a fixed cost. That $440 a month stack is $5,300 a year, every year. The box is $2,000, once.
If you're a heavy user, it pays for itself in months.
And this is the part that should make you sit up.
This is the worst this will ever be. The first desktop chip that can hold a Frontier model just shipped. The next one is faster. The models after that are leaner.
The line between cloud only and runs on your desk is moving, and it's moving toward your desk.
So no, the cloud isn't dead. For raw speed and the absolute frontier, it's still king. But you need a data center to run a serious model?
Just stop being true.
It now fits on a desk for the price of a decent laptop.
That's The Beat. Subscribe. The AI Beat for builders.